Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through a simple but very useful feature on WhatsApp for PC: how to unmute a channel after the latest update. If you've ever muted a channel to minimize notifications but now want to hear from it again, this process will only take a few quick steps. First, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Once the app is up, take a moment to look through your chat list. This is where all your active conversations and channels are displayed. Scroll through until you find the specific channel that you want to unmute. When you've located the channel, simply right-click on that chat. A new menu will appear, giving you a set of options tailored to the channel or conversation. From here, you'll notice the option labeled Muted. Hovering over it will show you the Unmute option. Click on Unmute, and just like that, notifications from this channel will be restored. It's really that straightforward. This update keeps things quick and user-friendly, making it easy to switch your notification settings without digging through complicated menus. Whether you muted a channel temporarily during a busy day or by accident, you now know exactly how to turn those alerts back on. Unmuting can be especially helpful if it's a channel you follow for important updates, community discussions, or time-sensitive information. By restoring notifications, you'll ensure that you never miss the latest posts or announcements. To recap the steps, open WhatsApp, find the channel you want, right-click on the chat, hover over Muted, and select Unmute. In just seconds, the channel is active again, and you'll start receiving updates right away. And that's all it takes. With this quick tip, you have complete control over your channel notifications, switching them on and off whenever you need. Keep this in mind for managing other channels too, so your WhatsApp stays tailored exactly to your preferences. If you found this walkthrough helpful, try it out today and bring your favorite channels back to life with just a few clicks.